After over 2 months under President's rule, 21 MLAs have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah requesting immediate installation of a popular government in the state. The signatories include MLAs from BJP, NPP, NPF and JDU. Some of the prominent signatories include Paunam Brojan, BJP legislator from Wangjing Tentha constituency, K.H. Raghumani of BJP from Uripok constituency, T. Robindro of Thang constituency, Y. Radhesham of Yanglam, Muhammad Asab-Uddin of Jidimam constituency from JDU, and Zanghemlung Panmei of NPP from Tamenglong constituency. Other signatories include T.H. Radhesham of Hairok constituency from BJP and Nishikant Sapam, independent, S. Rajan of Lamsang constituency, K.H. Loken of Wangoi constituency, J. Kumo Shah of Karong constituency, Sheikh Nurul Hassan of Khetrigao from NPP, Kongkham Ravindro of Mayang Imphal constituency, Y. Khemchan of Singjume constituency, T.H. Arun Kumar of Wangkhai constituency, Leishio Kaishing of Fungyar, K.H. Joy Kishan of Thangmeband constituency, S. KB of Nauriya Pakhanglakpa, Losi Diko of Mao constituency, Ram Muiva of Ukhrul constituency, and Laurambam Rameshwar of Kerau Assembly constituency. In their letter, the MLAs acknowledged the initial public support for the President's rule, stating, quote-unquote, "The people of Manipur welcomed the President's rule imposed on 13th February 2025 with hope and expectations. However, nearly 3 months later, no visible actions to restore peace and normalcy have been seen. Quote-unquote, there is a strong apprehension among the public that violence may reoccur. Several civil society organizations have begun opposing President's rule and are demanding the formation of a popular government. Public rallies and street meetings are being held where ruling MLAs are blamed for not staking claim to form a government and for the imposition of President's rule. The MLAs also assured to commit and dedicate towards restoration of peace if popular government is reinstated in Manipur."